Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add funds top up to your Careem account. If you want faster payments and a smoother ride experience, topping up your wallet is a great option. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone and go to the search bar. Type Careem and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. This is important so you can access all the latest features. Once your app is updated, open the Careem app. Now tap on the menu icon, 3 lines, in the top corner of the screen. After that, go to your profile, then tap on Cards and Accounts. Here you'll see the option for Funds or Wallet. Tap on it and then select Add Funds. Now choose the amount you want to add. After that, select your payment method. You can add a card or bank account. For this example, we'll choose a card. Enter your card details, confirm the payment, and your funds will be added to your Careem wallet instantly. And that's it. Now you can use your wallet balance for quick and easy payments. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.